Hello, this is the first in a short series of videos to introduce a new topic from the S1 course, which is discrete random variables. The idea with these videos is very much that you should have a go at each question before I do it. So for this question here, do pause the video now, try and do the question, and then unpause it when you've done it and see how you did. Right, here we go. So we imagine that we've got 10 2s in a row, 25 3s, and then 15 5s. So to find the mean, we're going to add up and divide by the total. So we're going to do 2 times 10 plus 3 times 25 plus 5 times 15 divided by the total, which is, I guess, 10 plus 25 plus 15. I just want to write that in a slightly different way over here. I'm going to write that as 2 times, the total is actually, I think, 50? Yeah, probably 50. I'm going to write as 2 times 10 over 50 plus 3 times 25 over 50 plus 5 times 15 over 50. So I hope we all agree that that's a legitimate thing to do. If you're unsure about the way I split that fraction, imagine adding up the things on the right hand side and you'll see you would get the thing on the left hand side with common denominator 50. Okay, so that is the values times, so 2 times the proportion of things that are 2. So you end up with 20 over 50 plus 75 over 50 plus, actually it's another copy of 75 over 50. I'll add them before I do any further simplifying, so I actually get 170 over 50, which I hope you guys got was 17 over 5 for the mean. For the variance, I'll do the variance in blue, here, okay. The slogan is mean of squares minus square of mean. Okay, so here goes. So if I imagine squaring the actual numbers, the numbers in the long list, the list of 50 things, the numbers squared are going to be a bunch of 4s, then a bunch of 9s, then a bunch of 25s. So the mean of those things will be 2 squared times 10 plus 3 squared times 25 plus 5 squared times 15 all over the number of numbers, sorry about that, that's 50, minus the square of the mean, which is 17 over 5 squared. Okay, so I end up with 40 plus 9 times 25 is 225, plus 25 times 15, which is 375, I hope. All over 50. Okay. Perhaps if I were minus 289 over 25. So that is, I guess, 640 over 50 minus 289 over 25. I won't simplify the next fraction fully. I'll just divide top and bottom by 2, so I get 320 minus 289 over 25, and so that's equal to, I should put some equal signs in, apologies. That's equal to 31, whoa, let's get rid of that, equal to 31 over 25, and that's the variance. If you wanted the standard deviation, you would then have to square root the variance, so the standard deviation would be root 31 all over 5, so a bit more than 1 for the standard deviation, and that kind of makes sense with a spread of numbers going between 2 and 5 like that, so that seems plausible. So there you are. Final answers, 31 over 25 for the variance and 17 over 5 for the mean.